Okay, and finally now for the line graph. Okay, you're going to actually look up your grades so far this year. Now we're in third quarter, so we'll only be able to figure out our average. We're not going to use this bottom one, so we're going to ignore that. Okay, so quarter 1, 2, and 3 so far, what you have. So what you can do is, if you don't know how to get to PowerSchool, go to albanyschools.org, scroll down. On the right side, you will see PowerSchool Parent Portal Login. You'll click on that. Now you should have gone in to see your guidance counselor and gotten your new logon and everything. If you have not, come see me. I can also look up your information. So we're going to put in grades. Whoops. I'm going to make up grades. So let's say 75. Maybe somebody slacked off the next quarter and they got a 53. And now you're working a lot harder and you've got an 86 so far. Okay, again, your grades won't match. You're going to take this and you're going to put it in the Excel spreadsheet. So at this point, I'm going back to my spreadsheet. I'm going to click down here because now I need a new tab. And it automatically creates it. I'm going to rename it as line graph. And I'm going to input my information again, starting from the heading. Marking period and average. Stretch my cells bigger so I have space. Okay, pause the video at this point and input your information. Okay, all of your information should be in Excel now, so what we're going to do is continue to follow the directions. Okay, we're going to highlight the data, click Insert, and choose the first line graph option. We don't have choices here, so we highlight it all. Insert, line, the very first one. Okay. Then says, be sure to add a title and have label on both of our axes. Well, that's pretty normal. So I have a title. That's kind of nice here. I'm going to do layout, axis title, primary horizontal, title below the axis. These are the quarters. Apparently can't spell quarters. Okay, and then I'm going to axis title, primary vertical, and I'm going to do rotated, and I'm going to put, clear that all out first apparently, and then I'm going to write grades. So I've got these things now. Okay, next step is I need to put data values above each point. So this is different. Make sure you're watching. What I need to do is I need to right click on the line, the blue line, and I am going to add data labels. It will automatically add the grades, but I want to, when you print it out, be able to see the grades specifically. Okay, you're going to make sure your y-axis ranges from 0 to 100 because those are the possible grades you can get. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the y-axis where you have your grades, and you are going to format the axis. Okay, we are going to make the minimum fixed and say 0. You're going to make the maximum fixed and say 100. We're going to let everything else be auto, so we'll click close, and it should be filled in even though mine is already there. Okay, it does not say anything about a legend, and I actually don't want to have a legend here because I only have one line. So you're going to right click on this and you're going to click delete. Okay, now we should have everything we need for that graph. Remember to continue to save your work, and just notice that you are going to find the average you have so far. Okay, in order to find the average, what I would be doing is I'm adding up the numbers I have, 75 plus 53 plus 86. I'm going to get an answer for that, and I'm going to divide it by 3 because there are 3 numbers. When you're finished this, what you're going to do is you're going to save all of your work, and you're going to email it to albany.k12.ny.us. If you need help emailing, please ask me or ask Ms. Williamson if you are in my 5th period class, and we'll be able to help you email it. Okay, then I will print it out for you and we will get a grade from there. Remember that you do have a rubric, and so you can double check that you're doing everything that you should be doing in order to get full credit. Okay, if you have any questions, again, ask.